back one more time. There's one right in my pocket.
Would you twist her collar?
Yes.
Thank you. Marvel, do you want to walk her? She doesn't pull anymore. Here.
Whoa,
Hey,
whoa,
hey.
whoa, 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 whoa,
Lucy.
whoa, 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 whoa.
When she does that, give her a pull. Like that.
There's spikes on her collar. Look, see?
Up, up. Come on.
Yep,
Go up.
just like that.
Hey, you don't need to be walking in front either. It's your problem.
Would you kick her?
See if I can get my balance. Lucy. Get. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.
Yeah, hold your hand behind you like that so that she stays behind you, because that's the hand signal.
Man, stop pulling.
Hand signal.
Lucy. Chill out, dog.
Man,
Don't make me.
Alright, switch your places. Stop. Everybody stop.
nice.
No! Marvel, why did you let go of her?
I don't know.
Just gotta let her know.
That's a cool tree, by the way. I don't know where I'm filming because it's too dark out here.
Whoa.
Already on your life. Look at that.
Like a thing. Oh, cactus. You slept right on it, too.
Oh yeah, dogs really don't care, which is weird.
Still pulling though, like a fucking idiot. Look at this.
I was gonna say I can walk for a second. She'll stop pretty darn
You
quick.
might need